Glider Yachts SS-18. The Glider Yachts SS-18 redefines the world of luxury boating with a futuristic design and unparalleled speed. Powered by quad-jet engines, this 18-meter yacht offers an impressive top speed of over 50 knots, allowing it to glide across the water effortlessly. Its unique catamaran hull design reduces drag and increases stability, making it perfect for both thrill-seeking and luxury cruising. Inside, the SS-18 boasts a high-end interior with all the modern amenities, making it not just a yacht, but a floating palace of comfort and performance. For those looking for a blend of speed, luxury, and innovation, the SS-18 delivers it all. BMW Icon. The BMW Icon yacht concept represents a bold fusion of BMW's automotive expertise with marine design. Sleek and futuristic, the Icon features an elongated hull crafted for both style and efficiency. Powered by hybrid engines, it offers a balance between high performance and eco-friendliness, with its streamlined body helping to cut through the water at impressive speeds. On board, you'll find BMW's signature luxurious touch, from high-tech control systems to plush interiors. The Icon is all about futuristic elegance and pushing the boundaries of modern yacht design, making it a statement of innovation on water. Overboat 100F. The Overboat 100F is a game-changer in the world of electric watercraft. This fully electric hydrofoil vessel offers a silent and eco-friendly cruising experience while flying above the water. The hydrofoil technology lifts the boat out of the water, reducing drag and increasing speed, all while providing a smooth and serene ride. With a top speed of 20 knots and 0 emissions, the Overboat 100F is perfect for those who love the sea but want to minimize their environmental impact. It's a quiet, sustainable, and stylish way to explore the waterways of the future. Jet SharkQ. The Jet SharkQ is a submersible jet craft that combines the thrill of a speedboat with the excitement of a personal submarine. Resembling a sleek predator, the Jet SharkQ can leap out of the water, dive beneath the surface, and perform agile maneuvers, offering an adrenaline-packed ride. Powered by a high-performance engine, it can reach speeds up to 55 miles per hour on the water's surface. The unique design and functionality make it a standout for adventure seekers who want to experience the underwater world and above-water speed in one dynamic package. Uboatworx Nemo. The Uboatworx Nemo is a personal submarine built for luxury underwater exploration. With its compact design and ability to dive up to 100 meters, this one-person sub allows you to experience the depths of the ocean in a comfortable and safe environment. The bubble-like canopy gives you panoramic views of the underwater world, making it a perfect tool for marine adventurers, photographers, and explorers. With joystick controls and a fully electric drive system, the Nemo is easy to operate, and its sleek design ensures you're exploring the ocean in style. Iguana Sport Yacht. The Iguana Sport Yacht is a high-performance amphibious vessel that can transition from water to land with ease. Its retractable tracks allow it to drive on beaches and rugged terrain. While in water, it acts as a powerful luxury speedboat with a top speed of over 50 knots. Built for adventure, the Iguana Sport Yacht is perfect for those who love exploring remote islands, secret beaches, and untouched coastlines. Its stylish, modern design paired with innovative amphibious technology makes it a versatile option for explorers who want both luxury and adventure. Quadrofoil. The Quadrofoil is an all-electric, eco-friendly hydrofoil personal watercraft designed for both fun and sustainability. Thanks to its unique hydrofoil wings, the Quadrofoil flies above the water surface, reducing drag and creating a smooth, gliding experience. It reaches speeds of up to 21 knots and is virtually silent, making it perfect for environmentally conscious water enthusiasts. With 0 emissions, it's not just a ride for thrill seekers, but also for those looking to minimize their ecological footprint. The Quadrofoil represents the future of watercraft design: clean, quiet, and undeniably cool. Seabreacher. The Seabreacher is an innovative semi-submersible watercraft that mimics the movement of marine animals like dolphins and sharks. Its unique design allows it to dive underwater, jump into the air, and perform barrel rolls, all while maintaining high speeds of up to 60 miles per hour on the surface. Each Seabreacher is custom-built with features like a periscope, camera system, and luxury seating, ensuring that it's not only fun but also highly personalized. Whether you're performing stunts or cruising, the Seabreacher offers an exhilarating water adventure like no other. Electricat BIG SIX. The Electricat BIG SIX is an all-electric catamaran designed for efficient and sustainable cruising. With room for up to 12 passengers, it's perfect for eco-conscious group outings or family trips. Powered by electric motors, the BIG SIX offers a quiet and emission-free ride while maintaining enough power to cruise comfortably over long distances. Its spacious design ensures a comfortable experience, while the electric propulsion system is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. The Electricat is perfect for those who want to enjoy the water while leaving a minimal carbon footprint. Sealegs 12 RC. The Sealegs 12 RC is an amphibious craft that combines the best of both land and sea travel. With its retractable wheels, this rugged boat can drive on land and easily transition to water in just a few minutes. Once afloat, it transforms into a powerful boat, capable of reaching speeds up to 40 knots. Its all-terrain capabilities make it ideal for beachgoers, lake lovers, and adventurers who want seamless land-to-water transitions. The Sealegs 12 RC is about maximizing exploration and minimizing boundaries, taking you places other boats simply can't. Sylvan M5 CRS. The Sylvan M5 CRS is a luxury pontoon boat that combines high performance with comfort. It's designed for leisurely cruises, offering expansive seating, a premium sound system, and high-end finishes throughout. The M5 CRS is powered by a robust outboard engine, delivering the speed and power you need for water sports or a day out on the lake. With advanced tech like joystick control and a smooth, stable ride, it's a luxury vessel perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy the water in style and comfort. Six Typhoon. The Six Typhoon is a futuristic, ultra-high-performance watercraft that integrates the speed of a jet ski with the precision of off-road technology. This twin-hulled hydroplane is built for adrenaline seekers, offering exceptional maneuverability at speeds exceeding 80 miles per hour. The Typhoon uses carbon fiber construction for a lightweight yet durable frame, ensuring it can handle even the toughest conditions.